What's up, YouTube? So I'm going to jump right in. I am starting with an oat wash and go. My hair is very dry and tangled, all of the above, okay? So I need a quick and cute hairstyle that will last me until wash day, and just decided on a sleek ponytail. So here I am separating my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to use a scrunchie to pull back each section. This is the best way that I moisturize my hair, and if you look in my last video, I did this as well. Now focusing on the back of my hair, I'm going to separate it in half just to make sure that product is worked through evenly, and I'm going to spray my hair and drench my hair with water. Now going in with the Chebe paste Lite, I'm going to work that thoroughly throughout my hair. And now going in with the Ambunu curl defining cream, I'm going to follow up with that and put that all throughout my hair. Using my tangle teaser, I'm going to detangle my hair all the way through so there's no kinks or lumps in my hair. And then I'm going to split my hair in half and twist it all the way down. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and then I'm going to begin styling. So I have finished the remainder of my hair. So I'm going to now pin up the front half of my hair so I can focus on smoothing out the back into a ponytail. So now I am taking a loose the back sections because I will begin brushing my hair into a slick back ponytail like I said before. So yep, just going to make sure I take all of those a loose. And now using my tangle teaser, I'm going to smooth out my hair as much as possible. I do not want any lumps or kinks. Remember, this is a sleek ponytail, okay? Slick back, so you want to make sure it's as smooth as possible. Now taking a ponytail holder, I'm just going to put it on loosely just to keep my hair in place, and doing the same thing that I did to the back sections. I'm just going to take my twisted loose, and using a rat tail comb, I'm going to part my hair, and then taking my tangle teaser, I'm just going to smooth out my hair again and get ready to pull it back into the ponytail that I had put in before. Now taking out that ponytail that I had before, I'm going to smooth my hair thoroughly and place it back into the ponytail. Using a rat tail comb, I'm going to smooth out my hair for the last time. I kind of do this to make sure I get all the lumps out of my hair or anything that I didn't get out with my tangle teaser. Now I'm going to take some Eco Styling olive oil gel, and I'm just going to line that on my edges because I do want my edges to be super smooth. Not saying that the product couldn't do it itself, but I just like the sleek look that edge control or gel would give me. ever call it Puerto Rican hair? Edges on fleek. Waves on swim so they hate on him. Okay. Now I'm going to take my satin scarf and I'm just going to tie my hair down.
1 hour later.
So it's been a little over an hour and now my hair is completely dry and looking good. Okay, so as you can see, my hair came out very sleek and smooth. Make sure you look in the description box below and get you some ChebeUSA products using my code LILOINDIGO at checkout. I obviously wouldn't advertise these products if I didn't love them on my hair and if I didn't want you to use them yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please press the bell button so you do not miss when I post another episode. And yeah, stay tuned for the next episode.